It's nearing the end of March in 2020, and a lot of families are sitting at home. Now, folks, let's talk about how the kids are acting, how everybody's acting. Let's think about this for a minute. If you're still doing the same breakfasts that you normally do, and everybody seems to have a little bit too much energy, well, that might be it. You know, especially on the American diet, we have a high energy breakfast. There's generally a good chunk of protein and fat there, as well as a high degree of complex carbs that burn through the day and give us energy. Okay, so if you're a real busy person, you work real hard, you burn your calories, and you're used to that. But the thing of it is if you're sitting a lot and you're not doing what you normally do to burn calories, it can lead to a lot of pent-up frustration. In other words, a lot of energy you need to release that you can't get out of you. Your body's not accustomed to that, so it's kind of doing this 360 on you. So don't do that to yourself. If you want to have the same thing for breakfast, that's cool. Just cut it in half. That's what I've done with mine. I've cut my diet down to substantially lower than what it was, and I had already reduced it to lose weight. So here's the thing of it, is if we're doing so very little, then remember, take in fewer calories to compensate for that. You're going to find yourself having a little less anxiety and a little less stress, and probably a little less of that too much energy feeling. You want the right amount of energy. You want to feel like you're perky and you're up and about and feel good, but you don't want to feel like you've got to bust out of a shell and go run in circles. Okay, because that's too much. So do our bodies well, let's eat right, and let's enjoy this time that we have for our staycations. It's forced upon us, we don't have a choice. So since you've got it, make the best of it and turn your staycation into something good. So what I'm doing here is I'm making more videos, a little more communication, and working on that. And I'm also working on improving my camera angles and filming and post-production and all of that. So I've got a hard push on that improvement there. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just got this focus. I don't know what your focus is, but I certainly hope that you take that focus for food or whatever it is and enjoy it. I didn't say stop cooking. Hey, this is a cooking channel, right? I said cut back and be careful about what choices you have for certain times of the day. A lot of complex carbs in the morning aren't so hot when you've got nothing to do through the day. Folks, thank you for watching, and if you would, please take a look at Texas Cooking Today. Got some great stuff, right? Great recipes. It's like, gosh, over 560 episodes of recipes. Go at it, okay? I bet I've got something that you're gonna like. Now the next thing is my channel is connected to my website, and that website is S.A.Trotter Arts. Texas Cooking Today is a project of S.A.Trotter Arts, and so that website's S.A.Trotter.com, and that link is right down there also. Please take a look at the description box and what I have to offer. Thank you for watching. And please enjoy your staycation as much as possible.